Good morning. So in the last class, electrophilic substitutions of arenes, that is halobenzene. First property completed, chlorination. First property, that is chlorination. So this halogen atom is what is the orientation of Cl means halogen or bromine or iodine. Orientation means it is either ortho-para-directing group or meta-directing group. It is called orientation. So it is a halogen atom. Any halogen atom has 3 lone pairs. So this halogen atom has a minus I effect. So minus I, negative inductive effect. Minus I effect means it can withdraw the electrons from benzene ring. Hence it is considered as a ring deactivating group. It is considered as ring deactivating group towards electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophile means E+. So this electrophile is attacks carbon in benzene ring. So it has a more electron density. Because of it is electrophile. What is the nature of halogen atom? So minus I effect means it can withdraw the electrons. So here electron density decreases. In arene ring or benzene ring. Hence, so towards electrophilic substitution reactions, haloarenes are less reactive than benzene. So benzene, characteristic properties of benzene. Benzene also undergoes electrophilic substitution. In nitration, nitrobenzene is formed. Chlorination, it forms chlorobenzene. In sulfonation, it forms benzene sulfonic acid. In Friedel-Crafts alkylation, alkyl benzene is formed. In Friedel-Crafts acylation, acyl benzene is formed. These are all electrophilic substitution reactions. So benzene and halobenzene, either chlorobenzene or bromobenzene or iodobenzene. So halobenzene and benzene, which is more reactive towards electrophilic substitution reactions. Benzene is more reactive towards electrophilic substitution reactions. So because of, so here electron density is more, so electrophile can easily attack on more electron dense carbon. So electrophile attacks more, so carbon which has more electron density. In case of haloarenes, due to minus inductive effect, minus I effect, it is an electron withdrawing group. So here electron density decreases. So haloarenes are less reactive towards electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, the next one. Next to this halogen atom also has 3 lone pairs due to resonance. So here electron density is more at ortho and para positions. So it is ortho position. Then these pi electrons are shifted to this position. These pi electrons are shifted to this position. So it is ortho position. It is also ortho position. It is a para position. So due to resonance, electron density is more at ortho and para positions compared to meta position. Hence, electrophile attacks at ortho and para positions than meta positions. Hence, so halogen atom is ortho-para directing group. Means electrophile can attack only at ortho and para positions. Reason, so due to resonance, electron density is more at ortho and para positions. Hence, electrophile is attacks at ortho and para positions. Next, so the reactivity is controlled by so minus I effect, that is electron withdrawing nature. That is inductive effect, negative inductive effect, minus I effect can control the reactivity. So due to minus I effect, reactivity is less. Next, orientation is controlled by. Orientation means ortho-para directing nature. So orientation is controlled by resonance effect. Okay, na? So it is controlled by resonance effect. Reactivity is controlled by minus I effect. Next, so chlorination is completed. So electrophilic substitution reaction. So electrophilic substitution reaction. So chlorinium ion is the electrophile. So benzene, chlorobenzene is treated with first property chlorination. Chlorination. So it is benzene. It is like chlorobenzene. So this chlorobenzene is treated with chlorine in presence of either anhydrous aluminum chloride or FeCl3 ferric chloride, or by using iron turnings. So it gives ortho dichloro and para dichloro because of it is ortho para directing group. So ortho dichloro. The next one is the para dichloro. So iupacine, it is para. So iupacine 1,2 dichloro. 1,2 dichlorobenzene. 1,2 dichlorobenzene. So it is called 1,4 dichlorobenzene. It is the first position. It is the second position. It is the third position. It is the fourth position. So 1,4. So 1,4 dichloro. 1,4 dichlorobenzene. Commonly it is called para dichlorobenzene. It is ortho dichlorobenzene. In these two, it is major product. Para isomer is the major product. It is the minor product. So it is a minor product. It is a major product. Because of ortho means both the substituents on adjacent position. So due to repulsions, so it is a minor product. Next, it is a major product. So 1,4 dichlorobenzene, or it is also called para dichlorobenzene. It is a major product. In these two compounds, melting point and boiling point are there. So boiling point is more for ortho. Boiling point is less for meta. Para. So para dichlorobenzene boiling point is less for para isomer. Boiling point is more because of here it is more polar. It is so dipole moment is 0. It is plus mu. In opposite direction, it is minus mu. Resultant dipole moment is 0. So it is considered as a non-polar. So boiling point is less. Whereas melting point is less for ortho isomer. Melting point is more for para isomer because of its symmetric structure. In crystalline arrangement. So perfect arrangement is possible. So melting point is more for para isomer than ortho isomer. So melting and boiling points already covered in physical properties. Okay, at the start. So chlorine on for the chlorobenzene on chlorination. What are the reasons? In the presence of aluminum chloride or FeCl3 or iron turnings. So ortho dichlorobenzene and para dichlorobenzenes are formed. It is 1,2 dichlorobenzene. It is a minor product. So para isomer is the major product. So 1,4 dichlorobenzene. It is a major product. So here, what is the electrophile? So when chlorobenzene treated with chlorine in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. So ortho dichlorobenzene, para dichlorobenzenes are formed. So in this reaction, what is the electrophile? In this reaction, what is the electrophile? Electrophile is Cl+. It is called chlorinium ion. Chlorinium ion. Okay, now IUM means it indicates cation. So chlorinium ion. Chlorinium ion. It is the electrophile. The next one, next to nitration. is chlorobenzene on nitration. Chlorobenzene on nitration. So what is the nitrating? What is the nitrating mixture? So chlorobenzene is treated with A mixture of concentrated nitric acid. Nitric acid formula HNO3. And a concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4. Concentrated sulfuric acid 1:1 ratio. So what is the nitrating mixture? 1:1 ratio of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. It is called nitrating mixture. So in these nitration reactions, what is the electrophile? NO2 plus is the electrophile. It is called nitronium ion. It is called nitronium ion. So IUN, the suffix indicates cation. Okay, so NO2 plus it is the electrophile. So chlorobenzene is treated with a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid 1:1 ratio. It is called nitrating mixture. So second property is nitration. Second property is nitration. So chlorobenzene is treated with a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid in a 1:1 ratio. So what is the orientation of chlorine? It can direct the electrophile or newly coming group or species into ortho and para positions because of it is the ortho para directing group. So ortho nitrochlorobenzene and para nitrochlorobenzene are formed. It is a para isomer. It is the ortho isomer. So what is the IUPAC name? It is 2-nitro. So 1-chloro, 2-nitrobenzene. It is the first position. It is the second position. It is the third position. Then it is the fourth position. So what is the IUPAC name of this compound? So follow the alphabetical order. 1-chloro. 1-chloro. It is the first carbon. Then it is the second carbon. 1-chloro, 2-nitrobenzene. 1-chloro, 2-nitrobenzene. So it is the ortho isomer. It is the ortho. It is ortho isomer. Next one. So it is the minor. It is the minor product. Next one. It is 1-chloro. Next one. 4-nitro. It is the first carbon. It is the second carbon. Third carbon. It is the fourth carbon. So 1-chloro, 4-nitrobenzene. It is the major product. So 1-chloro, 4-nitrobenzene. So it is 1-chloro, 2-nitrobenzene. It is 1-chloro, 4-nitrobenzene. It is the para isomer. It is the para isomer. So it is the major product. So in any electrophilic substitution reactions, para isomer is the major product. So it is IUPAC name is 1-chloro, 4-nitrobenzene. It is 1-chloro, 2-nitrobenzene. It is the ortho isomer. It is the para compound. So ortho isomer is the ortho compound is a minor product. It is a major product. So here what is the electrophile? NO2 plus is the electrophile. What is the name of NO2 plus? Nitronium ion. Nitronium ion. So chlorobenzene on nitration. So what is the nitrating mixture? Equimolar mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid is called nitrating mixture. So it forms. So ortho nitrochlorobenzene. Next para. Ortho means 1-chloro, 2-nitrobenzene. It is ortho. Next one. 1-chloro, 4-nitrobenzene. It is a para isomer. It is a major product. It is a minor product. What is the electrophile in nitration? NO2 plus is the electrophile. Nitrating mixture, not dilute concentrate, not dilute nitric acid and dilute sulfuric acid. Here we use concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid of 1:1 ratio. It is called a nitrating mixture. So here electrophile is NO2 plus. Chlorine is ortho para directing group. So always para isomer is the major product. 1-chloro, 4-nitrobenzene is the major product. It is the nitration. Nitration of chlorobenzene. Next, third property. Sulfonation. What is the third property? Sulfonation. sulfonation. Sulfonation reaction. So in this sulfonation reaction, what is the electrophile? Sulfonation reaction electrophile is SO3. SO3 is considered as the electrophile. It has no positive charge. So SO3 is considered as the electrophile. Here, what is the electrophile? SO3, not SO3, SO3 plus or SO3H plus. So here, what is the electrophile? SO3 is the electrophile. So benzene is treated with, chlorobenzene is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid. Chlorobenzene is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid. It is benzene. It is chlorobenzene. Is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4. Is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid. So here ortho and para isomers are formed. So para isomer is the major product. So it is a benzene ring. It is Cl. So here SO3H group it is benzene sulfuric acid. It is a ortho isomer. Next to para isomer. It is benzene ring. It is Cl. Next it is SO3H. So it is ortho isomer. It is a para isomer. So IUPAC name A. It is considered as a principal functional group. So it is the first carbon. It is the second carbon. It is considered as first carbon. It is the second carbon. It is the third carbon. It is the fourth carbon. Or it is second carbon. It is third carbon. It is fourth carbon. So what is the IUPAC name of this compound? 2-chloro. 2-chloro. C6H5SO3H is called benzene sulfonic acid. It is called benzene sulfonic acid. So 2-chloro benzene sulfonic acid. 2-chloro benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, so it is 2-chloro benzene sulfonic acid. It is the ortho isomer. Ortho isomer. It is a minor product. It is a minor product. Next one, what is the IUPAC name of this compound? Nitro group present, Cl group present at Cl atom present at the fourth position. So what is the IUPAC name? 4-chloro. Next one, benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. It is 2-chloro benzene sulfonic acid. It is the 4-chloro benzene sulfonic acid. So what is the major product? 4-chloro benzene sulfuric acid is the major product because of it is the para isomer. It is the para, so it is the major product. So in chlorination or in nitration or in sulfonation, what is the major product? So para isomer is the major product. Then ortho, because of these two are in adjacent positions. So here, so repulsions are more, here repulsions are less. So chlorobenzene on sulfonation. In sulfonation, what is the reason? Concentrated sulfuric acid. Chlorobenzene is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid. It gives, so 2-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. It is a minor product because of it is the ortho product. Next one. It is the 4-chloro benzene sulfonic acid. It is the para isomer. It is the major product. So in this reaction, what is the electrophile? SO3, not SO3 plus or not SO3H plus. Okay. So what is the electrophile? So electrophile is SO3. It has no positive charge. Hence, then even though it is considered as the electrophile. So in sulfonation reaction, what is the electrophile? SO3, either in nitration reaction or here nitration of benzene or nitration of chlorobenzene. Electrophile is the SO3. Here it is treated with the concentrated sulfuric acid. Major product is 4-chlorobenzene sulfonic acid. The next fourth property, Friedel-Crafts reactions. Fourth property, Friedel-Crafts reactions. Friedel-Crafts alkylation And the second one is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay, so chlorobenzene is treated with chlorobenzene is treated with methyl halide or methyl chloride. Methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride AlCl3 or ferric chloride FeCl3, ferric chloride. So here what is the electrophile? In alkylation reaction, electrophile is CH3 plus. CH3 plus is the electrophile. CH3 plus is the electrophile. So chlorine ortho-para dialectic group because of due to resonance. So electron density more into the ortho and para positions. Ortho and para position. So it is the benzene ring. Next one, it is a Cl. It is ortho. Next one, it is the para isomer. So it is a Cl. Next it is a CH3. It is a CH3. So in these two, what is the major product? Always. So always para isomer is the major product. What is the IUPAC name? It is the first position. It is the first carbon. It is considered as the second carbon. So 1 chloro, 2-methyl benzene. 1 chloro 2-methyl benzene. It is the ortho. So it is a minor product. It is a minor product. Means percentage is less. Next, what is the IUPAC name of para isomer? It is the first carbon. It is the second carbon. It is the third carbon. It is the fourth carbon. So 1 chloro, the next one, 4-methyl benzene. 4-methyl benzene. It is the para isomer. So it is the major product. Ortho isomer is the minor product. So it is like benzene. Friedel-Crafts alkylation of benzene. Benzene on Friedel-Crafts alkylation means treated with methyl chloride instead of chlorobenzene. If you take benzene treated with methyl chloride CH3Cr in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. Here the product formed is methyl benzene. It is also called toluene. Methyl benzene is also called toluene. So what is the name of the reaction? Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Because of alkyl group is substituted on benzene ring. So it is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So what is the Friedel-Crafts reagent? Anhydrous aluminum chloride or ferric chloride is the Friedel-Crafts reagent. So in Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, what is the electrophile? Electrophile is the alkyl carbonium ion R plus. So the compound formed when chlorobenzene is treated with methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. So it forms a mixture of 1 chloro 2-methyl benzene and 1 chloro 4-methyl benzene. So when chlorobenzene reacts with methyl chloride, what is the major product? So 1 chloro 4-methyl benzene is the major product. Okay, right. Next, when chlorobenzene is treated with instead of methyl chloride, suppose we take ethyl chloride, C2H5Cl, in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride or FeCl3. Here the product formed A. So ethyl chloride. Here what is the electrophile? Electrophile is C2H5 plus. Electrophile is C2H5 plus. So ethyl group is substituted at ortho and para positions. It is C2H5. So it is 1 chloro. Next, 2-ethyl benzene. Next, it is 1 chloro 4-ethyl benzene. 4 ethyl, 1 chloro, 4 ethyl benzene. 1 chloro, 4 ethyl benzene. It is the major product. Next, it is the minor product. So it is the minor product. It is the major product. If we use methyl chloride, so methyl 1 chloro 2 methyl benzene is formed. If we use ethyl chloride, so ethyl group, that is C2H5 group, is substituted to ortho and the para positions. Okay, na? So these reactions are called Friedel-Crafts alkylation reactions. Next one, when chlorobenzene is treated with N-propyl chloride, CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl, N-propyl chloride. It is treated with N-propyl chloride. So in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. So here the product formed is. So here electrophile. Here electrophile is CH3, CH2, CH2 plus it is the electrophile. Okay, so it is the primary carbocation due to 1,2 hydride shift. It is converted to CH3, CH plus and CH3. It is the primary carbocation. It is the secondary carbocation. You know, in these two, it is the major product. So secondary carbocation is a major product. So here, so what is the major product? So in this reaction, what is the major product? Major product means para-isomer is the major product. So here the product formed is CH2, CH3, or it is a benzene ring. In these two, it is the major product. It is CH. Next one, it is CH3. Next one, it is CH3. So what is the major product? Let it is the first option. It is the second option. Next, third option in ortho position. Fourth option in ortho position, it is N-propyl. Next, it is isopropyl. So what is the major product? So it is the major product, but not this one, because it is the primary carbocation. So on rearrangement, due to 1,2 hydride shift, so here it is a major product, but not ethyl group. CH2, CH3 is not substituted because it is a primary carbocation. So here, to attain the stability, 1,2 hydride shift is possible on rearrangement. So rearrangement is possible. So secondary carbocation is formed. So it is attached with the benzene ring. So here it is the major product. Okay, right. The next last one, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Okay. So what is the IUPAC name of this compound? So it is 1 chloro. Next 4. It is not isopropyl. 1 chloro 4 isopropyl benzene is wrong. What is the correct IUPAC name? It is considered as ethyl. Okay, so benzene ring is attached with ethyl. This ethyl is attached with methyl. So it is 1 chloro. Next one. So ethyl chlorobenzene. It is a methyl substituent. It is ethyl. So methyl. It is ethyl group. So 1 chloro 4 in the bracket methyl. It is ethyl benzene. Okay. So 4 chloro. Next one. 4 chloro. 4 ethyl. So methyl group is attached with the first carbon. It is the second carbon. 1 methyl. 4 ethyl, 1 methyl benzene. Okay, right. The next one, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation. So in this Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, so what is acylation reaction? Chlorobenzene is treated with acid chlorides or CO. OH is carboxylic acid. In carboxylic acid, this OH is replaced by halogen. Generally, we use Cl. So it is called acid chloride. Reagent, Friedel-Crafts reagent is the same. Either anhydrous soluble chloride or ferric chloride, FeCl3. So here, what is the electrophile? Here, electrophile is RCO plus is the electrophile. Okay, so this electrophile is substituted at ortho and para positions. So para isomer is the major product. Para isomer is the major product. It is benzene. It is Cl. It is COR. It is ortho isomer. Next, para isomer is also formed. It is Cl, it is a para position, COR, so it is a major product, it is a minor product. Take the specific example. So chlorobenzene is treated with CH3COCl. Treated with CH3COCl. It is called acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride, it is the common name. Acetyl chloride is the common name. What is the IUPAC name? It has 2 carbons. So IUPAC name is oil chloride, ethanoyl chloride. So suffix is oil, ethanoyl chloride. It is IUPAC name. So what is the IUPAC name of acetyl chloride? So ethanoyl chloride. So what is the Friedel-Crafts reagent? Anhydrous soluble chloride or FeCl3. So in this reaction, what is the electrophile? If you use acetyl chloride, what is the electrophile? CH3CO plus is the electrophile. So write the products. What is the minor product and what is the major product? What is the major product and what is the minor product? So ortho isomer is the minor product. Ortho isomer is the minor product. So it is Cl, it is COCH3. It is the minor product. Next, it is the major product. Para isomer is the major product. So it is the para isomer. Para isomer is the major product. So COCH3 group is substituted at para position. So what is the? It is the major product. Next, it is the minor product. It is considered as the first position. It is considered as the second position. So 2-chloro. It is called acetophenone. C6H5COCH3 is called acetophenone. So 2-chloro acetophenone. It is 4-chloroacetophenone. It is the first carbon, the second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. So IUPAC name of this compound A. It is 2-chloro acetophenone. Acetophenone. IUPAC name of this compound 4-chloro acetophenone. 4-chloroacetophenone. Okay. So what is the electrophile? Acetyl group is the electrophile. CH3CO plus is the electrophile. So in electrophilic substitution reactions, so para isomer is the major product. So these are the electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene. And what are the uses of chlorobenzene or halobenzene? So what are the uses? What are the uses of haloarenes? Uses of haloarenes. So mainly this chlorobenzene is used. This chlorobenzene is used in the preparation of chlorobenzene. So most useful compounds are prepared from chlorobenzene. So from chlorobenzene we can prepare useful compounds. So from chlorobenzene we can prepare aniline. Aniline means benzene ring is attached with NH2, it is aniline. Next, from chlorobenzene you can also prepare nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene means it is a benzene ring is attached with NO2. From chlorobenzene, phenol is also prepared. Phenol means it is attached with OH. It is called aniline. Aminobenzene. It is called nitrobenzene. It is called nitrobenzene. It is called phenol. It is the first property of chlorobenzene. It is a phenol. So the next one. So aniline, phenol. Next, from chlorobenzene, biphenyl is also prepared. Biphenyl means benzene ring is attached with benzene ring. So it is the benzene ring. Next, it is another benzene ring. So it is called biphenyl. What is the name of the reaction? It is called biphenyl and diphenyl. What is the name of the reaction? Wurtz-Fittig reaction. So Wurtz-Fittig reaction. So it is the Fittig reaction. Wurtz-Fittig and Fittig reactions. So chlorobenzene, mixture of chlorobenzene and alkyl halide treated with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. Alkyl benzene is formed. Next, only chlorobenzene is used in presence of sodium and dry ether. It gives biphenyl. It is called a Fittig reaction. It is the Fittig reaction. Next one, from chlorobenzene, picric acid is also prepared from. So picric acid is also prepared from chlorobenzene. So what is picric acid? So it is a phenol derivative. OH is a phenol. So at the second position, at the fourth position, and at the sixth position. So 2, 4, 6 trinitro phenol. So aniline, nitrobenzene, phenol, biphenyl. Next to picric acid. IUPAC name is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. So commonly it is also called picric acid. So it is also called picric acid. So these are the uses of chlorobenzene. So chlorobenzene is used in the preparation of aniline, nitrobenzene, phenol, biphenyl, and picric acid, that is 2,4,6-dinitrophenol. And DDT is also prepared from DDT, already in polyhalogen derivatives. So DDT structure preparation also completed. So chlorobenzene is treated with chloral, trichloroacetaldehyde. So it gives DDT. So these are the uses of haloarenes. Okay. So